Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you on a sweet journey down memory lane. We're making tanghulu. Let's get started. We need simple ingredients. Your favorite fruits, sugar, water and some skewers. Watch as the sugar slowly melts and transforms into this glossy syrup. The next step is creating our fruit skewers. It's like threading beads onto a string, but with delicious fruits. Why don't fruits play hide and seek in the syrup? Because they always end up being found out, all shiny and exposed. A bit of cold air or a quick dip in an ice bath will work wonders. What's a tanghulu's favorite game? Candy Crush, for obvious reasons. And here we have it, our homemade crystal delicious tanghulu. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe